Oh, could be better, could be worse.
How's it going?
Not too bad. Are you like, what's going on?
We got a call about...
No, I mean like with your parking job. You're not like intoxicated, are you?
Okay, so we just got a call saying that you were...
Just gonna bypass and shelve that one. Go ahead, continue.
Okay, well it's a little disrespectful, but that's all right.
I'm sorry?
I said it was a little disrespectful, but...
Oh, a little disrespectful.
Yeah.
Would you accept that from me?
Well, we're here to talk. We're here to talk to you.
Oh, so that gives you the right to...
Well, there's safety procedures. So.
Right, starting with the emergency lights if you're not going to follow traffic laws, right?
Okay, so what's we were called here because somebody said you were disturbing.
Fantastic.
On scene. Do you have your ID with you?
Excuse me?
Do you have your ID with you?
Do I have my ID on me? No, I don't.
Okay, what's your name?
What are you getting at here? I'm confused.
So I was called here for a law enforcement purpose. Somebody said you were disturbing on the property.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
so I just need
me?
Yes, I just need you to identify yourself.
I'm not going to do that.
Okay, well you have to.
So explain to me what the crime was again?
As far as we know, you were disturbing the business.
Oh, as far as you know. So what are you going off of? What are you going off of?
Okay.
I'm just trying to get all my facts straight here, man.
No, you're trying to record and make a video so that you can look like a good guy.
Well, if I'm the good guy, what does that make you then?
I'm saying that's what you're trying to do.
Oh. So are you saying I'm the bad guy?
I'm saying you're not providing your name.
Right.
Officers confront a man labeled disturbing and demand ID after a parking complaint. He refuses, asserting rights. Routine patrol morphs into a power play between perceived authority and individual liberty, sparking confrontation and public curiosity and legal questions.
Why would I have to? Why would I? I'm supposed to?
Okay.
Says who?
All right. Well, I tell you what.
Nah, I'm good on your directives. I'll tell you what. You should probably just either get back in your car and fix the parking job.
I'm not going to take orders from you, bud.
All right, good. Sounds good.
Okay.
So let's just get something straight real quick. You're not going to dictate how this goes.
Oh, yeah?
We're here for...
All right, I'm good. I don't need any more directives. I'm not going to answer any more questions. I'm just going to continue on doing what I'm doing. I'm going to step over there about 20 feet. You can follow me if you'd like, but I'm just going to sit there and ignore you if you're going to speak at me, okay? Sound good?
We're trying
Thank
to have
God.
a conversation.
All right, have a good one, guys. Take it easy. I'm not going to dictate how this goes. We'll see. Yeah, you guys should probably take off.
No.
Hey, you guys are dismissed. Have a good one. There you go. Oh, that one got under your skin, huh?
No.
Oh. Is that the face you usually make at people? Come on now. You have a terrible lying face, bro. Terrible. He had to check. He has to check to see if his lying face is on. He went into the Pizza Hut. Maybe he's hungry. Maybe they're just hungry. Oh, maybe this guy wants to get something else to make them get hungry. Look at these guys. I can't believe it. Hey, you guys are dismissed, though. Have a good one. Oh, you'll be back? Oh, okay. I'm gonna do the same thing you did this time. Squat.
We'll see.
Oh, we will see.
Sir, are you listening? So, I'm just going to tell you now, we called the individual that made us the call initially, and he's saying that you were yelling at customers and people in the parking lot. I'm just going to advise you not to bother the people that are...
Officers accuse him of filming vehicles and trespass, point to signs, and insist on identification. He challenges their narrative, demands legal basis, and requests a supervisor. This exchange exposes how vague suspicion can pressure citizens.
Patroning this area. All right? You understand? If you're out on the sidewalk,
yeah, there's nothing you could do. Yeah, don't run across the road. Don't run with scissors. Yeah, don't yell at anybody in there because you'll be causing a disturbance now. You should probably fix your parking job too. That's creating a disturbance as well. Hey, hold on. Follow the tip of my finger right here. Ready? Ready?
Well, I tell you what.
Hold on. Wait.
All right.
Wait.
Goodbye.
Oh, looks like I did dictate this stop now. Oh. Better luck next time, guys.
It's not worth it. Yeah.
Better luck next time. Yeah, no, the intimidation shit doesn't work with me. You're right, it's not working.
Bro, what a scumbag, bro. That's why I record them, bro. Scumbag, dude. All they do is extort money from people, bro. Hard-working people, bro. And now that's what they do, dude. That's bullcrap. Hey, can I get your name and badge number?
Sergeant Figueroa, 678.
Do you enjoy doing this, man? You enjoy extorting money from hard-working people? Oh, is it a warning? He gave you a warning? What a scumbag, bro. You're a scumbag, bro. Do you enjoy doing this to hardworking people? Why don't you answer my question, bro? You know you came to the wrong spot to do this, bro. You know that, right? You need to go do something productive and go catch real criminals, bro. Real criminals. To get the hell out of here, man. Go catch real criminals. Hey, you weren't supposed to cross. You were supposed to wait. You think you're above the law? You're not above the law, buddy. You are definitely not above the law. Definitely. Definitely not above the law.
How you doing, sir? I'm Sergeant Figueroa from the City Home Police Department. What is your name?
I'm not gonna give my name or none of that.
You're not going to give me your name or any of that?
Why do I gotta give that?
Okay.
Why?
Here's the deal. The bank called to complain.
So?
You're filming the bank.
And?
This is
that illegal?
This is a federally...
Child safety invoked. Officers suggest danger to welfare, heightening stakes. The auditor insists he was delivering clothes and poses pointed legal questions. What crime? Without probable cause, demands for ID lack foundation. Tension diffuses when documentation emerges later.
Is that illegal?
Building.
Is that illegal?
If you will let me speak, sir.
Is that illegal?
Are you going to let me speak?
Go ahead, man. Go ahead.
This is a federal regulated...
What's your name and badge number, ma'am? What's your name and what's your badge number? Okay, cool.
This is a federal regulated building.
Yeah, I'm aware.
Filming outside of the building.
I'm aware.
Okay?
I'm aware.
I don't know what the reasons behind them are.
No, it doesn't have to be a reason, bro. I'm an independent journalist. I'm working on a story on a public sidewalk. I'm not bothering nobody.
Here's the deal. Okay? They don't want you near the bank.
I'm on a public sidewalk.
They don't want you near the bank.
I'm on a public sidewalk once again.
Are you going to give me your information?
I'm not going to give you nothing unless I commit a crime about or has. That's the only way I can.
Actually, you have committed a crime.
Okay, what crime is that?
You got close to me twice.
That's not a crime.
It is a crime.
What crime is that?
Supposed to be 25 feet.
I want to distance. No. Okay? No, that's not the way it works. That's not the way it works. No, it doesn't. No, it does not. I'm on a public sidewalk. Okay, you were not engaging with anybody. I was in a public sidewalk. You were just retaliating on me because of what I told you over there. All right. You want to play that game? Let's play it. What do you want to do?
Okay.
What do you want to do?
I'm going to ask you to back off.
Okay, I'll back off. No problem.
I'm going to ask you to
No problem. I'll back off.
All right,
but if you want to go that route, we can do it. I suggest you go back to work, bro. And I go mind my own business. Please I suggest you go back to work before you make a wrong move.
Okay.
You just didn't like how I was speaking to you over there. Yes, it is. You can get back to work, sir. I want to disengage. Is this cordial? Is this a cordial conversation? Let's watch. Okay, you have a good day. What was your name again? You already gave it. Okay, cool. You ain't got nothing to say, ma'am? Okay, cool. So you're not gonna come and intimidate me, bro. I know what I do for work. I know what I'm doing. If you want to play that game, we can play it. I'm telling you. You know what I'm talking about. So what do you want to do?
Have a nice day, sir.
No, you have a nice day.
I will.
Go ahead. Keep doing what you're doing. Go ahead. Extorting people's, hardworking people's money for bullshit. How do you sleep at night, sir? How? That's crazy, man. Go catch real criminals instead of people without a dumb seatbelt or me that I'm filming exercising my rights in public sidewalk. So you can get back to work, bro. All right? You can get back to work. You can keep doing what you're doing, bro. You can keep doing what you're doing, bro. I don't got all day. I'm super hot here.
You're close to me, bro.
I'm leaving this way, dude. Keep doing what you're doing, bro. You're extorting people's money, dude. Hardworking people's money. How do you sleep at night, dude?
Now, it's because of officers like this that it's so important for you to know your rights and to help us to bring awareness to the rest of the public. Otherwise, we are only allowing for the police to keep acting this way and violating our rights. So don't forget to support the channel by subscribing, like the video, and leave a comment to reach more people. And remember, always record the police.
How procedure, persistence, and paperwork convert coercion into accountability. After the verbal clash, officers attempt to validate their stop by citing a complaint and the need to identify people near a sensitive location. The auditor repeatedly asks the single decisive question, "What crime do you suspect?" That question forces the encounter from emotion back into law. Tactically, notice the officer's playbook. Appeal to safety, cite facility concerns, invoke vague reconnaissance language, and press for ID. These moves are effective because they convert discomfort into the appearance of legitimate policing. The auditor counters with 3 stable, underused tools: calm refusal unless legally compelled, recording of the interaction, and calling for supervision or incident documentation. Those measures are practical and disarming, not confrontational, but they create a durable trail. The pivotal moment arrives when officers invite the auditor to view the sign and then pivot to documentation, reports, badge numbers, and supervisor presence. This is the turning point. When coercive tactics meet bureaucratic traceability,